Hello everyone, welcome back to All-in-One Academy Educator channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you about a light concept. So light concept you are studying from your 7th class onwards, but when you see in your higher grade, it can be a 10th standard or 12th standard. The complete knowledge of light chapter will be covered in one by one part video in our channel. Today let us learn only the basics of light. So you should know what is the meaning of light. Am I right? So here you can see I have written light is a form of energy that enable us to see the things. See now you are being in a dark room. If there is no light, can you see anything? It's not possible, right? That means whenever a light is appeared, even you are seeing in the computer or through the laptop or through your phone or whatever, you are able to see me, it is because of light. I am shooting this because of light. Otherwise we can't see clearly in the picture. Am I right? That is why light will always enable us to see the objects clearly. Next, here you can see the nature of the lights. Then how the light is appeared. So light is appeared in the form of ray, wave and particle. If it is appeared in the form of ray, it is reflected. So nature of the particles I already said. See, light can be in the form of ray, it can be in the form of particle, or it can be in the form of wave. If you see in your higher grade 12th standard, you have 3 chapters related to optics. In 10th standard, you're going to learn only the first concept, that is the ray, reflection and refraction. The wave concept is interference and diffraction, and particle concept is photoelectric effect. But in your 10th standard, you're going to learn only the refraction and reflection concept. Now let us see the two concepts and their laws. First is reflection. What is reflection? Let us see, I am standing in front of a mirror and you people are also standing in front of a mirror. What you are able to see there? Your image itself, right? That is because of reflection. One more example you want me to give. Now sky is blue in color in the morning time. What will be the sea color? It will be blue. Night time you can see the sky is black in color or colorless, and night time you can see the sea also will be the same color because of reflection. Now what exactly the meaning of reflection? You can see the sentence I have written. When a light travels from one medium to another medium, it bounces back in the same direction. It just bounces back in the same direction with same angle. Here you can see I have drawn the diagram. Let us take this as a polished surface like a mirror. Okay. One ray I have been drawn, that is called incident ray, which will make an angle of I, that is incident angle or angle of incident. It will just bounces back with the same angle. Let us take this is 30 degree, means it will bounces back with the same angle of 30 degree. That is called as reflected ray. The center line is called as normal. The meaning of normal is 90 degree. Now let us see the laws of reflection. The first law is angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. If that is 30 degree, this also will be 30 degree. Now let us see the second law. The incident ray, the normal, the reflected ray. You can see all these three are lying on same point or a same plane. So these are the two laws of reflection you will be getting to know. Now let us see the next concept, that is refraction. So let us see the next concept, that is about refraction. First we learned about reflection. When a light travels from one medium to another medium, what happens? It will bounces back in the same direction. Now let us see the meaning of refraction. When a light travels from one medium to another medium, it bends. Why it is bending? You may have it out. Whenever a light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it will bend. Why? Because speed changes. Rarer medium means it is air. Denser medium means it is water. Whenever it is traveling from air medium to water medium, the speed changes because in air medium the particles are loosely packed. Easily it can pass through it. When it passes through the water, the particles are tightly packed. So that's why the speed changes. That is why it will be bending. You can see the rainbow phenomena. Because of the refraction concept also it will happen. Next, let us see the laws of refraction. First law is sin I by sin r equals constant. This is also called as Snell's law. What law is this? Snell's law. What is sin I by sin r equals constant? It is sine of angle of incident is equal to sine of angle of refraction. Sine of angle of incident is equals to sine of angle of refraction with respect to sine, that is the trigonometry, the first function with respect to opposite and hypotenuse. That is why we are considering the sine. Next is the incident ray, normal and the refracted ray all lies in the same plane. Same as the laws of reflection, this law also holds good for refraction also. Got it? There sine of angle of incident equals sine of angle of refraction here. Whereas in reflection it is only angle of incident equals angle of reflection. Now let us see the next concept, that is plane mirror. What is a plane mirror which we see in our home day-to-day life? That is called as plane mirror or a shaving mirror or a dentist, whoever uses, we see the mirrors, right? So it is a plane mirror where we use it, right? So normally we see our face for doing makeups and all. That mirror is only called as plane mirror. So what is the definition of plane mirror? A plane mirror means any flat and polished surface on which the reflection of light takes place. Meaning it has to bounce back. If it is bouncing back, that type of mirror is called as plane mirror. Let us see its characteristics. Based on what characteristics we can consider is a plane mirror is, image is always virtual and direct. So image is always virtual and direct. Image is laterally inverted. Size of the image is equal to size of the object. Let me explain all three one by one now. I am going to stand in front of a mirror. What size I look, the same size only it will be appearing in the mirror also. Mirror is the same concept. But here image is laterally inverted. What is the meaning of laterally inverted? Means, now let us see, you are seeing at me. I am raising the left hand, you are able to see the left hand only. I am raising the right hand, you are able to see the right hand. But in mirror, it will be opposite. If I try to eat in left hand in the mirror, it will show me the right hand. That is called as laterally inverted. What is the meaning of virtual and direct? Virtual means the image will be not captured on the screen. Meaning, whatever the image I see through the mobile or I see through the mirror, that is all called as virtual, and erect means upright. Now why it is called virtual? You have heard about virtual meeting, those things. Just we are able to see them, we can't capture. Then what is the opposite of that? Real image. Real image means which we can capture on the screen. I will take a pic and I can see, yes, I have taken a picture, I can see it. That is the meaning of real image. Virtual means which we cannot capture on the screen. Real means which we can capture on the screen. These all are the basics of light chapter that you will be learning in your grades from 10th onwards. So thank you all children. For the next part of light video, you can keep on following my channel and subscribe to it.